This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, secure the car and power. Turn off ignition, chock wheels, and wear gloves so you don't waste time with injuries. Check battery terminals for corrosion and tightness. Loose connections mimic dead batteries. Once done, use a 12V tester on the battery and fuses. Replace any blown 10A or 15A fuses immediately. Make sure oil and coolant levels are at safe marks. Low fluids cause overheating and stalled engines. These first actions prevent needless delays. You now isolate the problem. Plug an OBDROMAN 2 reader and read trouble codes to direct your efforts. Interpreting codes narrows time-consuming guessing. Next, verify fuel and ignition. Listen for fuel pump prime. Pull a spark plug to inspect gap in spark. Replace faulty coils or plugs to restore combustion. Once done, inspect belts and hoses for cracks or looseness because a snapped belt or ruptured hose will stop you cold. Make corrective swaps and retest systems immediately to confirm progress. You complete repairs by reassembling components and torquing critical fasteners to factory specs. Improper torque causes leaks or failures. Refill fluids to the correct marks and bleed air if needed. Then perform a controlled test drive. Short loop at varied loads while watching temperature, oil pressure, and dashboard alerts. Listen for anomalies. If issues persist, roll back to prior steps, rescan codes, and replace suspected modules one at a time. Troubleshooting tip: isolate electrical from mechanical causes. Use substitution to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.